Hello, beautiful friends! I'm so excited to be here today. Today we're going to go ahead and make unicorns and dinosaurs. So this is a unicorn that I made, and I'll be showing a tutorial on that a little bit later. And this is the dinosaur that I'll be teaching you in this video. So this is for some inspiration. This is a Ninja Turtle dinosaur. You also have a glam dinosaur. It even has a necklace. Here's a party unicorn. A fire dinosaur. And a fun rainbow confetti unicorn. So I hope you have some inspiration. So included in your packet is some fun gems, googly eyes, your characters, a glue stick, and wonderful, colorful rainbow crepe paper. So when you get started, you kind of need to look at what design you want to create for each of your character. What's not included is scissors. If you are safe to use scissors, go ahead and grab some. If you don't have any, you can use your hands to cut the crepe paper. And if you need help, a grown-up can always help you cut up the colorful confetti paper. So for the dinosaur, I'm going to go ahead and pick purple, green, and blue. I'm picking green as my main color, so get your main color and start cutting it in little fragments. You can also use your hands. You want to make sure that you don't cut the pieces too small. But you want to make sure that you also cut about half or a little bit more than half of what was provided on the strip. So add glue and start adding on your pieces. And don't be afraid to put glue over a piece that's already on there. It gives it a cool layering effect. Also want to talk about the tail. If you have pieces that hang over the edge, don't worry, you can always let it dry and then peel or break it off. And you can also use your scissors to give it a nice trim. Now you will notice that your thumb or your fingers will get a little bit sticky. If you need to, go wash your hands. If not, you can also use it to your advantage to help you pick up the pieces of the wonderful colorful paper from the table. And feel free to pause the video at any time if you're doing this project with me. Now if you're watching and you would like one of these kits, you're more than welcome to click the link below. You can order just the dinosaur, just the unicorn, or the combo of both. Alrighty, so now that my dinosaur is all done, I had started my unicorn, I let it dry, and now I'm going to come in and decorate. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make my dinosaur spikes. So cut a strip across the crepe paper, and then you're going to go ahead and cut in a zigzag formation. Doing zigzags will create triangles, which you can use for the spikes. And you can decide to put however many spikes you want, if you want it going from the top all the way through the back. It's completely up to you. That's what's fun about these kits, is you can make it however you like. And you don't even have to do spikes. So for my dinosaur, I only wanted it to be on the back. So I went ahead and made about 4 triangles. And I decided I want my dinosaur to have some spots. So I'm cutting small fragments. It was kind of hard to get the shape that I wanted. So in the end, I just ended up doing the same thing. I cut a strip. And then I went ahead and cut little pieces from there. Again, any way that you want to do it is completely fine. Now that we have that all set, we're going to start gluing. So you can do this in any order that you want. I just decided to go spot first. Whenever I'm doing arts or crafts, I like to think of happy things. So when I was doing green, I like to think what are things that are green that I like. And now that I'm working with blue, I like to think of the things that I like that are blue. One of my favorite things is the sky. And blue is my favorite color in the whole wide world. So now I'm adding purple. And one thing that comes to mind when I think of purple is delicious grapes. And then just smooth out your spikes. Just another idea is you can always add spikes on the back behind it, so that way you can have 2 colors or multiple colors. It's just completely up to you. And from here, in this kit is the combo kit, so I include 2 different sizes of googly eyes. So I'm trying to see which one I want to use for my unicorn so that I could use the other one for my dinosaur. I like my dinosaur to have a big eye. I think it's pretty cute. So look for your placement. And there you go. Now for myself, I wanted to add some sparkle with my gems. So these gems are strips. You'll need to go ahead and cut them out separately. So be very careful. Have a grown-up help you if you're not able to use scissors alone. And I could have used all dark purple for the 4 spikes, but I decided I wanted to make a pattern. So I'm going to do light and dark purple. And you can add these gems wherever you'd like as well. I just wanted to give my spikes a little bit of shine. So just put them in place and press it down. One other tip that I'd like to make whenever I'm doing any type of art is make sure you have a little pile of where you're putting your scraps. It'll make it easier for cleanup after. And now we completed our dinosaur. It's super duper cute, and you can always add more if you want, or more colors. And I'm going over the edges one last time, making sure everything's smooth. And there you have it. So the unicorn video will be up soon, but here's your dinosaur. I can hardly wait to see your creation today. I hope you had fun, and thanks for watching. The unicorn video will be up by the end of the week. As always, I appreciate you here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you like the art and what your creation looks like. And then I'll reach out to you to see if you want to send me a pic. Thanks, and have a good day.